In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate pages in DocHub. First, open DocHub in your browser and sign in at docHub.com. Once you're in, head to your documents and open the PDF you want to edit. You can do that by clicking the file from your dashboard, which will launch it directly in the DocHub editor. On the left side of the editor, you should see a sidebar with small previews of each page in your PDF. These are your page thumbnails, and they're the quickest way to manage pages. If you don't see them right away, look for the page icon on the left edge of the screen. It usually looks like a stack of rectangles or a small grid. Click that icon to reveal the thumbnails panel. Now select the page you want to rotate by clicking its thumbnail. If you need to rotate more than one page at once, hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while clicking each thumbnail you want. This multi-select method is helpful if you have a section that was scanned sideways and needs the same fix across several pages. With your page or pages selected, a small menu or set of icons will appear just above the thumbnails. Look for the Rotate icon, which looks like a circular arrow. Click it once to rotate the selected page 90 degrees clockwise. If the page still isn't oriented correctly, just click the Rotate icon again. Each click turns it another 90 degrees, so a couple of clicks will usually get you to the exact orientation you want. Take a moment to glance at the main preview area to confirm that your page looks right before moving on. DocHub is designed to auto-save your changes, so rotations are typically saved as you make them. Still, it's a good habit to confirm. Look for the saved indicator with a check mark, usually near the top of the editor. If you don't see that confirmation, or if you prefer to finalize things manually, click Done or Save to lock in your edits. This helps ensure your rotated pages stay exactly as you set them when you share or download the file. That's all you need to rotate pages in DocHub. Open your PDF, reveal the page thumbnails if needed, select the page or pages, tap the Rotate icon until the orientation is correct, and make sure your changes are saved. With these steps, you'll have a clean, easy-to-read PDF in just a few clicks.